Hi guys, I think I need to hurry up because it's starting to rain and my camera is out there and we'll see. I'm glad to be back again. I was a little bit under the weather, but I'm here again. I have continued working on my kitchen countertop, but also started a new project. That's a router table, a small foldable router table. It's gonna rain, of course, so hopefully I still have some time that it dries up before it's dark. But I have to take out the camera now. Too bad. I thought I would go inside, but think, well, why not go inside the van and continue? So now I'm ready to continue. Now the sun is shining again and I think it's dry. But well, let's see what I can do here. I got Joey with me. Hey Joey, good boy. Ultimately, the idea for that router table came from how I envision what van life for me would mean. You know, you see a lot of other van dwellers. The only thing they do is build a van. They travel. They eat out. That's all you see, and that's not what I want to do. And they very likely do a lot of other things too, outside of the view of the camera, but I just like to do other things. But okay, travel, hiking and nature, that's going to be a big part of my life too, and one of the purposes for doing that. But I got a lot of other hobbies too. I started to love making these YouTube videos and would like to do some extended kind of nature film or sort of documentary, which is okay because I got all the things that I need for that. I don't need any more space, so that's fine. I want to do a lot more reading than I used to, and occasionally, let's say once a month or so, go to see some ballet, an opera, or maybe philharmonic orchestra, which is more difficult because first of all I got my friend with me. Hey Joey, you don't like operas, do you? But we'll see how that works out. Then of course my usual hobbies or things that I've never done before and would like to do, and for that I've been seriously considering, oh Joey, my camera. But I've been seriously considering bringing along a setup for astronomy. But I would like to do some basket weaving, making pottery along Native American lines, so that type of thing. The woodworking part, I cannot do all these big things anymore, so I'm looking for smaller things that I tend to love as well. That's carving, of course, wood carving. Making small jewelry, that's one of the things, but most recently making small puzzle boxes. And these puzzle boxes brought me to the idea of bringing a foldable router table with me, in addition to the larger work table that I already have. Shall we make a router table? Say yes. Okay. Okay, let's get started. This is typically Florida, where you can have sunshine and rain at the same time. And that makes it so humid. A new interesting project. I already did a lot of pre-cutting. Got more here. That's a back panel and a few panels here. In the meantime, I also did some hardwood. Already glued some pieces, one piece over here as well. More for decoration than for anything else. Yeah, I'm just starting to put things together. Okay, I've done a lot more joining, planing, cutting and whatever. What I have to do now is put some pieces together, but since there's going to be some force on one of the sides where a hinge is coming, instead of just gluing them together this way, I didn't like that on the side, I'll make a tongue and groove situation here. So I'll start with a groove and do it in 2 passes. So some more glue, gluing these pieces together. Okay, while the rest is drying, I'll be sanding a few of the other pieces, so they'll be ready for tomorrow. The day is almost over now. So I'll do some sanding and make it ready for assembly tomorrow morning. Okay, another day and more work. What I finished yesterday is all these individual parts. Got some more over here. These are all finished edges. What happens is, that's my bottom, that's my rear panel. Then I got this side panel. That's all going to be glued and screwed together. And then I got this panel, and that will be hinged on this side here. So this can open up and function as a support for the work surface. So what I have to do is got a piece of hinge and install that. So I know the exact measurements, and then glue this piece here where the hinge will be attached to. So next step is some filing. That hinge will have to come here, so I know that is where it belongs. And let me see, indicate the holes and then pre-drill them. That's the way to go. So now I have to figure out exactly how to mount it. Some more holes. So now I have installed the hinge. Now I have to attach it to this board, and I have to glue that. So okay, and I can let those dry. And it's nice because I already did the other one, so I can continue. Yep. So this is how it's gonna look like. I can fold it in and then fold it out. Top layer that goes on here, and that will be my work surface. I glued and screwed these side panels to the back panel. Now I have to glue the bottom panel to the sides and the rear. So, and that's what it's gonna look like. Still have to clean it up. That'll be Oh, before I go, please pay attention to these missing children. If you have any information, please call the appropriate number. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.